Good morning and welcome back to my channel. No apologies. You do you, boo. Today I'm going to show you how we go from this to this, spending only $32. We saved a total of $19.07, which gives us a 34% discount on this food right here, purchasing nothing but lost leader sales. So let's get this prepped, show you exactly how much food you will merit, how we prep it, how I freeze it, and how we save money all year long. We traditionally spend only about $75 a month on groceries. I'm going to show you how to get all this prepped. Now, when you're on your app, make sure you look at your U deals. Your U deals give you specials often that you wouldn't get normally, even with the lost leader sales. So these eggs are on sale this week for $1.47. I got them for 3 cents because my U deal says buy something that you normally buy often, and that's eggs. So it was offering it to me for 3 cents. So these are normally $3.49 for 12. They had them on a lost leader this week at $1.49. We paid 3 cents for a dozen of eggs. The mushrooms this week are on sale, 2 for $5. I got a U deal offer at $1.86 for 8 ounces throughout the month of August. So we picked up 3. So again, that's a savings of about 75 cents on each one of these. The cheeses were on sale. These are $3.49 at normal cost. They had them today at $1.47 each. So we bought them in a block form, and I will shred it, bag them, show you how we do that and why. And then a couple more of the cheddar cheese. The butters are $3.59 normal price. They were on sale today for $2.99, so they were about 62 cents off. Got 2 of those. These are normally $3.59 a bag on the 8-ounce washed spinach. They had them on sale, 2 for $5. I had a U deal at $1.50 each. So from $2.50 to $1.87 is what I paid on these. So I got 3 bags pre-washed. We're going to seal them into individual servings so that we can use them to cook with. They also had potatoes. Now what's interesting is they had what you'll see here, the potatoes this week at $1.99 for 5-pound bag. When you click on it, it says not available. Now they have them in the store, the same ones, 2 for $5, which is 10 pounds of potatoes for $5. Traditionally, in the past, up until about a month ago, they were selling them for 99 cents for 5 pounds. We always buy 10 or 20 pounds. I prep them, bag them, freeze them, and we always have potatoes. And I'm going to show you how we do it. These potatoes, they had 10 pounds for $4.99. So I was able to save 1 penny more by getting them in a 10-pound bag. So let's get these in bags, prep them, and we'll get moving. When doing my cheese, I pre-cut my bags off my roll, and I generally make them this wide. They're open at both ends, so I close it up at one end with my sealer, like so. Then I'm going to cut it in half, seal up the other end again, so that I can make individual servings for cooking or eating for 2 people. So now that I have my bags all cut for size, I'm ready to shred the cheese. Now I use my food processor on my shredding blade to shred my cheese. If you don't have a food processor, don't panic. You can still use one of the old-fashioned ones and shred it by hand. It's going to take you a little bit longer. However, you can be successful and get it done. If you don't have a shredder, another option, just take a fork. Take a fork like this, gouge it down into the cheese, and you can see you'll get it shredded up very nicely. Come back across this way, and you will have shredded cheese. So you have options. So don't panic if you don't have the utensils. Make it work. All right, so let's get this shredded. And I often get asked, why, Jeff, do you not just buy it already shredded? Well, here's why. Is because often when you buy things, take it over to the scale in your produce aisle and weigh it up. It's not always consistent with weight. So I don't trust that the bag of shredded cheese that I buy is actually going to weigh 8 ounces. So now let's get it bagged. So I just put in enough to use for one meal for 2 people. Now prepping does take time, no doubt about it. However, if you're serious about wanting to eat healthy, wanting to eat more economically, save your money, get more bang for your buck, you'll prep. So I just put in enough for 1 serving, and let's vacuum seal that. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, don't panic. Use baggies. Just squeeze out as much air as you can, close it up. You'll be fine. And when you take this out of the freezer and get ready to use it, I'll show you, just as crispy as can be. And there we have a bag of cheese. So let's get all this sealed up and I'll show you how much we made out of there. So the cheese cost me $5.88 for 32 ounces of cheese. I was able to portion and bag 18 bags. So each bag cost me 32.7 cents or 33 cents a bag. That's how I freeze them, so we have them for individual use. In here I have a bag that's frozen in the freezer, and you can see it breaks apart nicely, and it still remains shredded cheese. So the next thing I want to work on are the mushrooms. Wipe them off with a paper towel to get any excess dirt off them, slice them, and freeze them. Now, growing up as a child, we used to forage for mushrooms in the spring and fall, so we never bought them. I used the slicing disc to slice my mushrooms. Look how nicely those slice. And here we have 24 ounces of sliced mushrooms, prepped, ready to go in individual bags for the freezer. So bags for individual servings. So when I want to cook a meal, I have fresh mushrooms. So we've got all the mushrooms bagged, vacuum sealed, ready for the freezer. The mushrooms cost me $5.61 for those 3 containers, which gives me 24 ounces of mushrooms. Breaking them down into individual servings, I got 13 servings, so each serving cost me 43 cents. Let's move on to spinach. Now, when I buy my spinach, I buy it pre-washed, but I still dump it out of the bag, and I inspect it to make sure that there's no foreign things in it that I don't want. Let's get this bagged as well, and I do it just like I do the cheese. We have the spinach all bagged into individual servings for a dinner for 2 people. I bought those 3 bags of spinach at $1.80 a bag, which cost me a total of $5.40. Out of those 3 8-ounce bags of spinach, I was able to bag and freeze and seal 18 servings. So each serving here cost me 30 cents a serving. And that's how I calculate my meals. When I've done on my videos, I can complete and make a complete meal for under $2. That's how I do it. Potatoes, they're the ones that take the longest. Now I've already got them rinsed, and I'm going to leave probably 6 of them out so that we can use them as a baked potato. Slice them again in my food processor. Now I've already rinsed them, so we'll put them in the slicer. We'll get them sliced thin, and then I'm going to cook them for only about 5 minutes to let them boil. It gets any excess dirt off the outer sides of the peel. It gets any of the starch out so that when I bag them and freeze them, they don't turn black. Gonna need more pans. All right, let's get these on the stove. And we also take advantage of buying cream cheese when it's on sale. And yes, you can freeze it. Finished. I cooked the potatoes just long enough to bring them to a boil. And you can see they just get the film on top, which cooks off some of the starch. And then we'll let them cool. And I start to bag them immediately. My belief, the least amount of air they're exposed to, the least oxidation that takes place, so you don't chance them turning black. So let's get them in bags. Just like that. And then we'll seal it up. Perfect. Let me finish these up. I was able to get 11 bags of potatoes sealed. And the ones I left out to bake. So each bag cost me roughly 42 cents. That is how I prep and make complete meals for under $2. That's simple. All it takes is time. It took me a total of 2 hours to get all of this prepped. That's it. 2 hours. So there you have it. $32 with the food. Well over. If you ate a bag of these every day to make a meal, add your meat, your pasta, you have got well over a month's supply of food. $32. It can be done, folks. You just have to make time to do it. It was interesting when I was at the store today, a couple behind me was listening to me talk to the checkout girl who I see all the time. And as I said to her, I have not bought a canned good in over 25 years. We don't have any packaged food, any prefabbed food, any frozen foods from the frozen aisle in our house. We just don't. This is how we buy food. The guy behind us said, wow, well, we try. I made a point when I said to him, I took my phone, I dropped it on the floor, and I said, try to pick that up. Try to pick that up. You can't. You either do it or you don't. The choice is yours. So I thank you for coming along. I hope you found value in this. Give it a try at home. Prepping doesn't have to be difficult. And you can eat wonderfully for less. $19 savings, 34% savings on this food here alone. So I thank you for coming along. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And you can see my kitchen, 2 hours. Cleaned up, prepped, done. Till next time, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.